So our flight is here. Our flight is here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Int'l Moment Airport. Welcome to Lagos. How are you feeling?
Just funny. This is the first time I'm leaving them behind to travel.
Like the both of us leaving the kids. But thank God we have grandma, so we know they are in safe hands. Let's hit the airports. We're currently at MNA, which is where the Akanu Ibiam International Airport, the Enugu Airport, is located. This can definitely pass for one of the busiest airports in Enugu. Just at our right is the Oranto Airport Hotel, which is one of the best hotels in Enugu and is allegedly owned by Sir Arthur Eze. So we paid a gate fee of 500 naira. Yes, it's now 500 naira to drive into the airport, and our friend will just be doing a quick drop-off while we proceed on our trip. So this is the Akanu Ibiam International Airport. From outside, it looks pretty busy, but then when I came in, I was like, where is everybody? Because from the rest of the airlines looked really dry. You would think that probably there is no flight, but there actually is a flight going for these other airlines at this time. You would see when the trickles of people start coming in. But just take a look at the line for Enugu Air. Fam, I think Enugu Air is at this point giving every other airline a run for their money, because what is this crowd? And it's not just here. I would also show you when we get to Lagos. The crowd for Enugu Air is something else. Well, if you ask me, number one, it was pretty affordable for us, because aside the fact that, yeah, we are being patriotic, but then it was pretty affordable. This flight costed about 90,000 naira from Enugu to Lagos, while other airlines were 9,500. And yes, the service was 100%. They kept to time. It was pretty good, and why wouldn't you even want to use it? So not just from Enugu to Lagos, even Enugu to Abuja, there were lots of people currently boarding Enugu Air. I think as at now, that's the busiest airline I can say it's flying from Enugu. So we're currently at the airport, and it seems like Enugu Air is the one on board now, because everybody, you feel like the other airlines are on break, because everybody is just on the Enugu Air queue.
Yeah, and the crowd is very much. And though we came early, and it took us almost more than 20 minutes before we could do our body pass. And we are currently done our body pass, and we're waiting now.
Still waiting.
We are waiting to be called on board. But good thing, the flight is already on ground anyway.
Yes, the flight is on ground. I think it's just because of the crowd. Most people didn't come on time, so they're still trying to do all the checking and all of that.
So, Enugu Airport, what do you have to say? It's been long you came here now, right?
Yeah, it's been long I used the airport, but I don't think there's any major change, aside the fact that the gate fee has increased to 500, and now there's a park, and you must park your car if you want to pick somebody, and no matter how short you park, you pay 1,000 naira. But then probably they're just trying to make everything more organized and definitely generate more revenue. But it's nice to see everything is going well. We're attended to pretty fast, and we've not really had any hiccups on the way. It's just been like a smooth ride, and we hope it continues like that.
Right.
So this will actually be my first time on Enugu Air flight. Yes,
first time.
Enugu Air flight. So I can't wait to see what my first impressions of the flight will be like. I know the last one I used Airpace, I really enjoyed it, but this is my first time using Enugu Air, and I can't wait to just experience it and see how it is. So our flight is here. Lagos. Our flight is here. So our flight is here, and it's time to actually experience Enugu Air. Yeah, like this is my first time, flying Enugu Air, and so far so good. It's been a really nice and smooth experience. So I can't wait to see what the landing and takeoff is like. I hope I really have a peaceful flight, right? If it's your first time on our channel, you're welcome to Int'l TV. Of course, we're your favorite travel family. Please do not hesitate to click on that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, because I bet project, you want to join our family and you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So we're already in the flight now, and this is about to take off anytime from now. So people are just coming in, trying to settle in, and all the preliminary instructions being said and all of that. So I know many of you guys want to know what's up with the international terminal. Yes, I know many people want to know what's up with the international terminal of the Akanu Ibiam Enugu Airport. So as at now, the international terminal is still closed, no access yet. We really can't say if there's any work going on inside. Throughout our recent visits, there've been no sign of workers or anything there. So if you ask me, I don't think there's actually anything going on there for now. So as usual, we're giving our small package with snacks and all. And yeah, I really like the bag. I actually like the bag. So we're landing Lagos already. You can see this is just a view of what Lagos looks like from the top. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited about having to explore Lagos. I can't wait to see all the projects going in. It's really exciting for me, and I actually cannot wait.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Int'l Mohammed Airport. I'm to Lagos.
We just landed Lagos.
Yes, guys. So we'll be in Lagos for some days, and I have a conference to attend. I have a meeting to attend for 2 days, where she will go ahead to explore the city. So we'll link up again and see what we can do together in Lagos before we exit the town. So
come along with me. I'm going to be the pilot now, taking you around Lagos. So far, we've shared our experience with you, and we can't wait to hear from you. What do you think about Enugu Air? Have you used it before? What do you think about the experience? Do you think it's worth it? And do you agree with me if I tell you that it's here to stay and it's currently taking over? Because like I said, everybody seems to be using it. So it seems to be like the new kid on the block, right? So we're here to take our bags now, and then we are off to explore Lagos. So hello Lagos, I hope you treat me nice. So we're going to be exploring Lagos. We'll be checking out the major project, checking out places you want to see. Like we will definitely have to visit the new construction work going on at the airport. That's the international airport. We're going to visit the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, the Lagos Arena. We can't wait to go to Banana Island. We can't wait to explore this city in full. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe, this is a perfect time to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let us know which video would you like to see from Lagos. Where would you want us to visit? And trust us, we'll bring it to you. So far, let's explore Lagos.
Bye. I'll see you later.